how to read a quantum circuit without going down to all the mathematical level. This is still something I'm playing with, but here just the gist of it. And then feel free to take a look at the other links and videos that I'm linking on the video itself and down in the description. But basically the idea is that you can intuitively, and it might not always work, I haven't tested it out completely, but intuitively you can just play, you can play directly at the 0 and 1 level if you know more or less what the operations are doing. So you do need to know some of the basics, like what does a Hadamard operation do, but once you learn that, then it becomes a bit easier, right? So for example, we start off with the 0 0 up here, and then we apply a Hadamard gate on the qubit 0, which is this one for us. What the Hadamard in this case would do is it would transform our state into this. Now, how do you know that? You basically have to know what does the Hadamard gate at a native level do mathematically, but it's there's not so many operations, so you can just easily take a look at that and then abstract away the learning. So this is one key thing. And then you do a control NOT as a second operation. So this stays like that, and in this case, cause it's still a because there is a 1 in this case, there is a 1 over here, the control NOT is executed, so we have that. And then the last operation is you do an X on the qubit 1, so basically it turns our state into that here, and we are done. For more complex examples, take a look at the description links below, and yeah, have fun with it.